This is Shop Talk. 6 parts on one fixture and every single one comes out scrap. The program was fine. One work offset was pointing at the wrong spot. The fix is a habit. Prove each offset points where you think it does before you cut. Miss that, and the machine does exactly what you told it. In the wrong place. G54 through G59 are 6 numbered lockers. Each one stores a distance from machine 0 to a part 0 on your table. On a FANUC or Haas control, calling G55 tells the machine, from now on, work from locker 2. Every X and Y that follows is measured from that part 0. On a fixture, you set one offset per position. Part 1 is G54, part 2 is G55, and so on down the plate. The program doesn't know where the part is, the offset does. Here's where it goes wrong. Say you nudge one part in the vise and retouch it. You update G54, but this station actually runs on G56. Now G56 still holds the old number. The machine drives to a part that moved. That's your crash, or your scrap. Picture 2 states. Left, offset matches the part. Right, part moved, offset didn't. Same code, wildly different result. The nastier version, you copy G54 into G55 through G59 to save time, meaning to tweak each one. Now, all 6 offsets point at station 1. 5 parts get machined in midair, and the 6th gets cut 6 times. I'll say it plain. Copying G54 into the rest scraps more fixtures than toolware ever will. Most shops still do it to save setup minutes. So prove them. Before you run for real, do a dry run above the part, rapid to each offset, and watch where the spindle lands. If the spindle centers over station 2 on G55 and station 3 on G56, your map is good. If it drifts, you caught it before you cut. Better yet, set offsets with G10 in a line-programmed way, or read them straight off the offset page. Numbers you can check beat numbers you assumed. And check your G code matches your fixture. If station 3 runs on G56, the program had better call G56 before it cuts station 3. When any part comes out wrong, ask one thing first. Did the offset match the part? Or did something move after you set it? The offsets aren't the hard part. The habit of proving them every setup is what separates a good day from a bin full of scrap. If you've made it this far, you know G55 through G59 aren't the danger. A stale or copied offset is. Dry run, check the code, prove the map. Subscribe for more plain English shop talk.